Nature is awesome. Look at these beautiful masterpieces. I am so excited about these ones. This is my latest batch of Jaspers and Agates and Petrified Wood even in here, and I'm just so in love with these stones. I gotta share them. A lot of these are ones that I have found myself on the river or on the beaches. Look at that jasper. Wow. Just thought I would share some of my recent tumble. Some of these I am super just in love with. Look at the colors and the formation of this stone. What I love about tumbling is, gosh, it just really brings out all the beauty even more. This one's definitely a Jasper agate. You could see, if I can get it maybe to zoom in close enough. Little veins, the little agate seams. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm gonna get fingerprints all over these, dang it. Look at those. That's one of my favorites. That is one of my favorites. And got some, look at the hematite shining, guys. That's why I love hematite. See how it just shines all metallic like? Oh, that is sick. A lot of the poppies I find have that in it. Have the hematite shine. Another poppy. Look. Oh. These turned out awesome. Here's a mossy one. This one had a lot of pitting in it, so it didn't get, it's not perfect, but look. Gosh, it's just so pretty. And this one is that plume, the plumie I found on the Dewado in the ditch. In the ditch, I found this beauty. I rescued it. Oh, fingerprints all over it now. Look at that. Ah, now check this one out. Ooh, this one's really nice. This is an agate from my grandpa's collection. Check, I like looking at it that way. Looks sick. Look at that. This turned out beautiful. Look at that. Ah. Sorry if it's windy too, guys. The wind is starting to pick up, but gosh, it feels nice. It's hot out. There's some crazy lace. Beautiful. That little pocket opened up while I was tumbling, but look at those crystals in there. Oh, Look at that one. This is another piece from my grandpa's collection. Gosh, I need to do that video. Or just, I want to start a series of that, but it's been forever now. I said I was going to do that, but I should get to it before I cut up all of his rocks. No. Look at that. Okay. And then here's a pretty yellow and red jasper with hematite. Beautiful. This one did have a little problem. You see right there in the tumbler, it broke. Probably should have not ran it longer. But ooh, how pretty. And I tumbled one of the purple cow agate jaspers. Look at that. Gosh, the color in this is amazing. I am in love with this stuff. Oh. If I would have cut this into little slabs, though, it probably just would have fallen apart. So that's why I decided to just tumble that. But here I'm going to show a couple more of the jaspers I have found on the rivers. Oh gosh, I just love these. That's why I get so excited when I see and find these jaspers. They're just amazing. Masterpiece. Nature right there. And this one right here, Maureen, if you're watching, I sent you a jasper, and this is what it'll look like if you tumble it, because this is a piece of that. And this was from one of the first pieces I found on my first ever hunt on the Tahuya. And let's do this one. This one was a piece I found on the beach. A lot of hematite. A lot of pits came out of this, but I loved the hematite and the little red. Just, you know, the red and the agate veins running in there. Ooh, it was cool. Cool little piece. And let's see. Ooh, this one was pretty. I think this I found on the Dawato. Look at the hematite and that shine. And the hematite's so cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it. Oh my gosh, I just love these stones. The red and the hematite together just look sick. Colors together, just popping. Alright, well, let's show you a beautiful plume. That's a beautiful plume. Now this pink, this material didn't want to take a shine, but I still think it added. Oh, you can see my fingerprints. I hate not using gloves. That's why I use gloves. Dang it. Oh well. Anyway. How beautiful is that? Here's another piece of it. Tumbled a couple pieces. Look at that. Anyways, here's a sliver of a piece of awesomeness. Agate. Be a nice one to wire up. Nice one. Here's another agate. Should have tumbled that one longer too before I let it move on, but you know, I get impatient sometimes. This one was really pretty. Actually, I'm kind of thinking this might be Tahoma Jasper. Any of you who live around here who are watching, what do you think? It's pretty. It's just an end piece I cut, just kind of look into it. Ooh, now this one's really pretty. This was from my grandfather's collection. It is sick, look at that. Okay, maybe I could zoom in a little more here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this piece. Isn't that just spectacular? Oh my gosh. Wow. I just love it. Just love it. Ugh. That's a nice piece. Alright, well, I'm getting into quite a long video, so I'm going to cut it. I'm not going to show too many more. Here's a piece of petrified wood. And I think this will be the last one. This is another piece from my grandfather's collection that I think I've sent some of this to Rookie and Maureen. And anyways, this is what it'll look like if you tumble it. Oh, I think I even sent Manistee some of this. But all this, it is solid. Jasper, agate, it is silicated, so you can tumble that part too. Gosh, the fingerprints, dang it. But you can polish or tumble this part of the stone as well. But yeah, look at that. Look at the little dendrites. Isn't that cool? Color is just beautiful too. Just beautiful. Blue. Look at that. So, anyway, that's my latest tumble, guys. Just wanted to share it with ya. And oh, you know what? I'm gonna share this one too. Haha. Because you know what, this one was really cool. This was a, oh man, sorry. This was one from Mexico. A stone from Mexico. Had little, almost looks like opal to me, but a little agate pocket that popped open. Just so pretty, the colors, beautiful. Beautiful. I really liked this piece. Yeah, you turn it. Oh, that was just stunning. I love nature. I just love nature and what it creates. Anyway, alright guys. Well, thanks again for watching, and till next time.